Everybody else jumps in, does things quick without thinking, like the damn idiot fools we were. You know, and soldiers who live, they live because they can do that. You can't. Like, you gotta sit and think and pray about everything. I mean, look at you, you're doing it right now. You won't be able to live with yourself if you go.
No, I won't be able to live with myself if I don't. I'm gonna be a medic. And that's gonna be my way to serve.
See, there you go, thinking it all out. But you figure this war is just going to fit in with you? Your ideas?
Well, I don't doubt it's gonna be hard.
It won't be hard, it'll be impossible. You know, whatever beliefs you have in your crazy head now, they won't ever play out. It don't work that way. And if by some, I don't know, miracle chance you survive, you won't be giving no thanks to God.